Hello and welcome. My name is Kamini. I'm going to give you the tarot reading for the second half of June 2020. As you can see, there are two piles. If you can, I'll just show you. This is group number 1 and group number 2. I'm going to start with group number 1, the first pile, the first group, and I'm going to start with your monthly reading. You've got 7 of coins or pentacles as your monthly reading. I see that you are kind of worried about your finances. However, you've planted your seeds and you're waiting it for it to grow. So that is what this card means. In the second half of June, you have done all the hard work. You have planted all things. You've invested everywhere, and you are just looking for growing it. You are just trying to find how it grows into a plant. Like you want to grow it. That's what you're seeing. Maybe you've invested in 7 things and you're patiently waiting for it to grow. That's what it says. Your love life is giving a boundaries card. Now this means that you have set some boundaries. Maybe those boundaries are you may want to reset them, or you may want to change them, and that's what this card says. Maybe in your love life or in your committed life, or whatever situation you are in, it just means that you need to just reset them. If you are quite lenient with them, maybe try to pull it back. If you are quite if you're quite strict with it, you can just be lenient. Maybe that's what it says. Maybe resetting your boundaries and making it making it work for you in your love life or committed life, whatever it is. In the work front, career front, you're getting this card. Now this card is usually when you are quite emotional about your career, in the sense maybe you're feeling a little bit overwhelmed with your career, or somebody around you is quite overwhelmed with her career or finance, or something quite emotional, something in the career field, because this card has come for your career, for your finance. Maybe things are not very going well in your career field or finances. However, you can always there are better days coming, so you can always feel better and hopeful, and maybe restart again with something very positive coming. Now your health, in the second half of June, you need to take care of your health. Okay, this group is saying that you need to take care of your health. If something is bothering you, it might just fall off. Something that you've been building up, which is not very good for you, some kind of habit that you have which is not very positive for you, will just fall off, and you might have to restart. So the star card means that something that was not very good for your health will just break off in the second half of June. That's what it says. Overall, what is your advice card for the second half of June? You've got the spiritual health card. It says that I feel God's presence in my life. So somewhere with the spirituality that you have, you'll feel very much positive in everything. In the second half of June, your faith and your spirituality will help you overcome anything that you're feeling. Overall, your reading is quite positive. You are looking out for something which is which will help you grow your finances. You've done the hard work, and you also have you feel that God's presence is in your life. So everything is fine in the month of June. Take care. Okay, so group number 1, very positive reading. Group number 2, let me see what your cards are. See, this is your card, group number 2, the Chariot card. Now this card comes when you have the Cancerian energy, which is quite swift, and it is quite you're having a month, the second half of month, as very positive, where you are going to go ahead, okay, with your energy, and with the swiftness of like a chariot, where you'll be just moving as gradually as you can, and you'll be very happy with this type of energy, and very positive in the second half of June. Okay, now okay, what do I see in your love life? Okay, now this card actually means that in your love life you need to be maybe a little more gentle, little more chivalry is what is you're getting. Little bit more gentle in your love life, little more appreciating certain things, kindness, and like if you see this card has got you can see flowers here and a lot of gentleness in your love life or committed life. Take it easy, don't take it seriously, or don't stress over it. Maybe be a little have a little bit of more chivalry. So this is what is you know is needed in the second half of June. Your career, your finance, you've got all tied up. Now this card usually comes when you are feeling a little tied up in your career. Maybe things you're not getting the freedom. You can see this person is a little tied up. You can see there are some you can see this person's tied up. It means that he or she or they feel a little restricted in life. Maybe things not moving as fast as they want. However, you need to keep your positivity and look into the future, or just think that things will get better. And if there is something that ties, like something that has stopped you from doing something, and if that thing is something that is coming from you, then maybe you can untie yourself. But if there is something external that is happening, where you have to stay in a place, or you have to be in somewhere, so you have to just keep in mind that yes, situations will change and things will become better. Okay, the second half of June is not very bad for you in terms of career. If there are some restrictions that you have put on yourself, maybe you can loosen it. And if there are some restrictions that are external and you can't do anything about it, then you need to have peace with that, and move with a very positive attitude. That's what I would say. Apart from that, I see your health card. The second half of June, I see that you're getting something from maybe a divine source, and you're not you may be bored in your life. Maybe you are not very excited in your life. So maybe in the health front, just be happy, just be grateful for whatever you have right now in your life. Things are coming to you, and you need to look at the things, and you need to just be grateful and take whatever is coming positive to you in the second half of June. That's what it says. Keep your spirits, um, keep yourself very positive, and see and take whatever is good for you in the second half of June. Though I mean, this card is very important, because if something comes to us and we don't see it, then we can't take maybe some opportunity coming to you. And the last card is your advice card for the second half. You've got the environment card. I see that I love my home, and my home loves me. So kind of you have this genuine feeling for your house. Maybe you love your home, and and you love it, so you get the same energy back. So very positive again. Okay, environment card. Wherever you live, in whichever city, wherever you're living, you have the sense of security and stability in your home. You love it, and the same energy comes back to you. So very nice, very nice energy for you. So this is what I see for you. Now apart from this, I see all cards are positive for group number 2. This energy is very positive. The home energy is positive. Your health also, be a little excited with whatever you're getting in life. Okay, if you're feeling tight, or whatever is internal, you can just untie yourself. Whatever is external, that you can leave it to the divine source or something like that. Maybe things might change externally, and be more chivalrous in your life, in your love life. That's all. So I hope you've liked my reading. In case you want to drop a message for me or some kind of comment, you can do so, and you can subscribe to my channel, or you can give me a thumbs up. Till then, thank you so much. Take care.